Greetings and welcome everybody to another episode of our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the FFT feature, fast Fourier transformation and velocity granted by Beanscape Wilow. This feature comes with two modes, online and offline. We will explore them both, but before that we need to make sure that MATLAB Runtime is installed on our PC. In order to do that, you can install MATLAB from here. It's preferred to be this version 2015A 8.5 and for 64 bits versions of Windows. After installing it, we must make sure that it's in here. So we go to Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment, Variables, and then we go to Path. You must make sure that MATLAB Runtime path exists in the environment variables. After making sure that MATLAB is installed, we will start by the online mode. So we will do the configurations and we will take a look at the graphs and the generated log file. First of all, we need to stop data acquisition. After that, we would go to online data analysis and we will choose our desired options. We can choose in here to enable the online FFT. Besides that, we can choose to generate the automatic FFT report and to enable the FFT log file, so all the calculated data would be generated in a file. As well as for the velocity configurations, we can enable the online velocity and as well the automatic gene report, the velocity log file, and we can enable the PPV log file. IIR filter can be enabled in order to ameliorate the graph quality by eliminating the noise. And then we validate. And now we would choose our data acquisition mode. We would go for either streaming or set for the FFT and velocity to be shown. And for the sampling rate, we should choose a high sampling rate for the algorithm to work well. So in here, like 200 or 400, and we will start. We can check our channels, the X channel, the Y channel and the Z channel, and as you can see, we have three types of graphs: the streaming graph, the FFT spectrum, and the velocity graph. In here we can zoom it, we can change the style if we desire. And now, before checking the offline mode, one thing is left here to do, which is to observe the log file generated by the FFT. And so we would go to log Beanscape, FFT folder would be generated, and in it would be all the FFT files. As you see in here, the frequency and the amplitude. And now we will have a look at the offline data analysis. We will choose FFT and we will go and browse our files, our streaming files, and we'll choose file. After that, click on it and we press view. And as you see in here, the offline data analysis, so that we can process our data. As you see in here, you can change the style as well, and you can zoom out and zoom in as you wish. So this is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.